Way too formal, y'all know where I'm from. Stacy Dash, most ladies cause they got a clue.
Download complete.
Come on. Yeah, bullseye. That can't be good. Come on, almost there. You've got to listen to me. There's a skibbity, and he fell into this giant fat. No, wait, please, don't hurt me. My beautiful speaker face. Oh no, now it's spreading? Ma'am, we have a huge problem. Have you been watching me?
It's my job, isn't it? I've had eyes on that parasite ever since it broke into our top secret laboratory and hacked into our main computer system. And I would have already eliminated the problem if you hadn't smacked it straight into a vat of toxic waste.
Hey, that was an accident.
We need to shift all our focus towards containing the problem at hand.
Oh no.
Hey, are you even listening to me? Where did he go? On.
What's the plan here? What do we do?
Same thing I always do to solve my problems. I use my head. A little bit longer, a little more, and...
That's a wonderful idea!
Uh-oh. What's happening? I think I'm mutating!
Man, this is not good. Lucky for me, I was able to snag the... Not so fast, Skibbity. You really thought I was just going to let you stroll in here and steal one of our titans? My neck! No! The chemical compound! It's spilling out into the air!
Y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a los...
What the? That's steam. It turned me back to normal?
And it looks like we're all out of our anti-parasite compound. Now what are we supposed to do?